Hi guys, Jeff with constructionfastening.net. I want to introduce you to our insulation pins. This pin is used for installing rigid foam board into concrete using your Hilti, Ramset, DeWalt, or Simpson powder actuated tool. You note the larger washer, that's the bearing area to hold the foam. We have these in 1.5 inch, 2 inch, 2.5, and 3 inch sizes. The rule of thumb here is you want to add 1 inch to the thickness of your foam to select the proper size pin. For instance, this is a 2.5 inch pin. We would use this on 1.5 inch foam board. So make your choice accordingly. I'll put in a little plug for the Simpson PTP27 tool. If you do a lot of fastening with foam board to concrete, a tool like that will hold up better than some of your less expensive models. But again, shop a good quality tool from Hilti, DeWalt, Simpson, or Ramset. You'll find a good quality tool that'll make installing foam board to concrete an easy application. You can find them online. Click the link below for constructionfastening.net.